We are staying out of the classroom for the rest of the school year, but the CDC is already thinking ahead to the fall. They've released new guidelines for how schools should handle the coronavirus threat. Local 10's Parker Branton is live in Brickell with how our local districts are planning to carry out those recommendations. Parker.
Now, Louie, and part of that plan for Miami-Dade County Public Schools could include handing out gloves and masks, daily temperature checks, along with avoiding crowded hallways, crowded gyms, crowded cafeterias. The superintendent also says they are hiring a brand new position called Chief Health Officer as well.
How many kids at home? 4 kids?
Superintendent Alberto Carvalho.
Are you doing your schoolwork at home on a computer?
Looking ahead at what schoolwork in the fall might look like for Miami-Dade County Public Schools.
We will be exploring the spreading out of students based on space availability, utilizing open spaces to reduce, again, the number of students in one single classroom and exercise greater social distancing.
The CDC draft guidance on reopening schools includes putting desks 6 feet apart, avoiding field trips and school assemblies, and having students eat lunch in their classroom instead of the cafeteria.
A number of things we're doing. Number one, we are reducing the capacity of students in school buses. Secondly, we will be testing the temperature entering the bus and the school of every single student.
Miami-Dade County Schools says 3 phases is what they are looking at: recover, regain, and restart. The recover phase is providing students with what officials describe as a virtual summer school from June 8th to July 10th. The regain phase will entail virtual test preparation for state assessments that were not taken in the spring and are expected to happen in the fall.
The start date for the 2021 school year is still the same. However, we have decided to actually bring a number of students back into the next school year a little earlier.
Finally, the restart phase could bring back school early on July 27, specifically for students demonstrating low levels of academic performance, as well as for students with disabilities and English language learners.